Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an online magazine store using Shopify. First, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over to the product section and we're going to click on add product. Now here we're going to start filling all the blanks with our product's information. For example, we're going to start with our title and I'm going to put, for example, my Vogue subs. Now we're going to copy our title and here on generate text we're going to paste it and click on generate. This way Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to create its own description. Here we can either choose to generate the description again or just click on keep to keep the one we already have. Here on upload new, we're going to choose an image for our product, and you can see below our image, we're going to have a category section. Now here, usually Shopify is going to choose the category for us, and it's almost always going to be great. But if we want, we can click over here and change it to whichever one we would like. Next, we're going to have a product type, a vendor, a collections, and a tags section on our right. On the collections, make sure you add your product to your homepage collection, and for tags, you can put whichever one you like. For example, I'm just going to put magazine. For the pricing, let's say that we're going to charge around 20,000 pesos for this, and our cost per item is going to be around 20,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 20,000 pesos profit at a 50% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a shipping section in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. Once we are done, we're going to click over here on save, and as you can see, our first product would be ready to post on our online store. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So once we have all of our products ready, you can see here that I have added a time subscription, a people subscription, and a National Geographic subscription. We're going to go to our online store, and here we're going to start customizing our website. First, we're going to be able to change its theme. If we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to provide us a bunch of different free themes. But if we want to see more of them, we can click here on Visit Theme Store, and it's going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store, where we are going to be able to shop for a lot of different themes. Here we may find some that may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So back over here, we're going to click on customize, and here we're going to be able to start customizing our website. If we click over here, you can see that the section is going to be outlined by a blue line, and here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have all the different options that we have to customize our sections. For example, this is our image banner, and I'm going to click on select add images to select an image to be our banner. Once it's done uploading, I'm going to click over here on done there, and as you can see, the background of our banner is going to change. Next, I'm going to go to our heading, and here I'm going to put, for example, welcome to my magazine website. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here on template, we're going to click on add a section, and here we're going to have a bunch of different options, for example, a featured collection, featured product, collections list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see, this section is going to appear right at the bottom, and on our right, we're going to be able to select a product to be displayed. For example, I'm going to choose my National Geographic subscription, and as you can see, the new product is going to be displayed right over here. Now let's say that we want to change for example, the color scheme of our section, and we're going to put a nice dark theme right over here. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, I'm going to choose a featured collection, and we want to delete this section. What we're going to do is make sure we have the section we want to delete selected, and here on the bottom right, we're going to click on remove section. Just that easy, this section is going to be removed. We can also add sections to our footer. For example, here we can add custom liquid and an email sign up. And the same goes for our header. We can add over here a custom liquid or an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here, our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save, we're going to go back here, and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, name store, and now, whoops, okay, there, we would be able to change our store's name here. For example, I'm just going to put, whoops, magazine, and here I'm going to save my changes. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our online store, but now we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see here on our header, the name of the store is going to be changed. We can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want, and once we are done, we are going to go back over here. And next, we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now, this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as, for example, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say I'm going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and a Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.